who is the CEO of HSBC, the largest bank in Europe in terms of assets under management, with $2.6 trillion under management. And great to have you here.
Thank you, pleasure.
Yeah, so you have now quite a lot of news, and in March HSBC UK acquired Silicon Valley Bank after its bailout, and now you announced as well today the rebranding to HSBC Innovation to provide services as well to startups and different ventures innovations.
Yeah.
So can you comment on this rebranding and further plans of HSBC
Yeah,
Innovation?
happy to do that. And first of all, the reason we bought Silicon Valley Bank UK was, if you've got to remember, HSBC was founded 158 years ago, and we were founded with the express intent of financing entrepreneurs, helping entrepreneurs grow their businesses, seek out opportunity around the world. And therefore, for us to buy the UK arm of Silicon Valley Bank was a natural strategic fit. They're the entrepreneurs in the tech, the life science sector, innovation. And why wouldn't we want to bank them? They're the exact group of people that are building the technologies of tomorrow, the healthcare system of tomorrow. They're a natural group of entrepreneurs that we should be banking. So it was a strategic opportunity. We did it very willingly. And I'm really pleased in the 3 months since we bought the business, it's exceeded my expectations. The positive reaction from customers. We opened more accounts in the last 3 months in the UK business than the 3 months prior to our acquisition. And what I really wanted to do was to put it in the rebranding. HSBC Innovation Banking brings together the best of both worlds. The specialism that was SVB UK, the focus on the sector, the ecosystem, with the financial strength of HSBC. You mentioned 2.6 trillion of assets under management. That's financial strength. Financial strength, specialism, and global reach is what we now have.
And what type of technologies, what type of innovations do you see the most strategic for the investment for HSBC currently?
I mean, I think the technology sector and the life science sector are equally exciting. The pace of change in quantum computing, AI, the development of completely new business models, the use of technology to create a greener world for the future, a more sustainable world, that's hugely exciting. But so too is the innovation that's taking place in the life science sector. Just look at what the UK were able to do during COVID, the development of vaccines, the bringing to market new vaccine solutions at a much more rapid pace than had ever been done before. The development of genetics and protein mapping that has been done by some of the firms here in the UK, DeepMind. I think it's phenomenal change. And if you roll this forward 10, 15 years, there are going to be some businesses created today that are going to be the global champions of innovation around the world in 10 and 15 years. Why wouldn't HSBC want to be part of that journey?
Yeah, sure. And you as well expressed some concerns regarding cryptocurrency, but HSBC makes some moves in blockchain. There was launched last year blockchain tokenization platform Orion. So what's your opinion on blockchain as technology, and what are the further plans?
I'm very keen on blockchain as a technology base. We were one of the first banks globally, if not the first bank, to process trade finance on blockchain technology. We've since built tokenization of the capital markets. We did a real-life, fully fledged bond issue for a bank in Europe, central bank in Europe, just this year, written on blockchain. So I'm very much a fan of the technology. The question is, how do you use the technology for products in banking? You know, tokenized capital markets is one product solution. Trade finance is another product solution, all on the same technology, but different products. Crypto is a product on a technology base called blockchain. Crypto as an asset class is something that I'm more cautious on, because offering that asset class to retail investors and the same way that you'd offer a share or a bond is a different risk profile, and therefore as a financial institution I'll go more cautiously, and I'm very, very cautious on crypto. I don't think that is suitable as a product for many of the clients we bank. But the technology is great.
And do you think your stance on crypto may change with more clarity in terms of regulations in future?
I think we'd have to see how the regulatory environment changes, but at the moment there isn't a strong enough regulatory environment over crypto, so I'm going to remain cautious on crypto in the near term.
Okay, and what's your stance on central bank digital currencies?
Very much in favour of it. We're developing central bank digital currency. With Enbridge in Hong Kong, there's a small group of countries that are developing that as a real-life solution. We're fully in on central bank digital currency. We're one of the biggest global payments houses in the world. Last year we processed over 600 trillion of payments on behalf of our clients. Central bank digital currency is a natural thing for HSBC to do, and it's in a regulatory environment governed by the central banks that are participating in it. So we're fully investing in that.
And does HSBC has any plans to develop your own custody solution for digital assets like many other banks do?
Yeah, we are developing our own custody solution for digital assets. We're going again into that sensibly, cautiously, but we are looking at that as a solution.
And can you share as well some global vision for HSBC now and in this turmoil environment?
Yeah, listen.
All other banks getting bankrupt and
yeah. Well, we're very fortunate, and I'm very fortunate as CEO that we have a very strongly capitalised balance sheet, very strong capital ratios, very, very strong liquidity. So of my $1.6 trillion of customer deposits, I hold at least 800 billion of that in high-quality liquid assets. So we're super liquid. And we're cautious, very cautious on our investment profile of how we use that liquidity. Now, one of our strengths is, as you say, a global bank. In a world that's becoming increasingly complex, my job, the job of my colleagues, is to help clients navigate an increasingly complex global environment. That's our job. We've been doing it for years. We're the biggest trade bank in the world. We help clients find suppliers, finance suppliers, wherever they want to buy their supplies from in the world. That's what we do, help companies navigate a complex world.
Yeah, hopefully everything will go much better for HSBC and especially with the branding of HSBC Innovation Banking.
We're very pleased with the rebranding of HSBC Innovation Banking. It's a unique business model, and it's got now the financial backing and the global reach of HSBC. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you for